In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish a website GoDaddy. If you already have your site created and you are ready to make it live, the process inside GoDaddy is very straightforward. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you are using the account where your website is managed. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at your account dashboard. This is where GoDaddy keeps access to your products and services, including your website tools. From there, scroll until you see the website section. This area lists the websites connected to your account. Take a moment to find the correct website if you have more than one listed. That will help you avoid opening the wrong project by mistake. When you find the website you want to publish, click Edit Website. This opens the visual editor, which is the main workspace where you can view your site and make updates. Inside the editor, you can usually review your pages, layout, images, and text before publishing. It is a good idea to quickly look over your site here to make sure everything appears the way you want visitors to see it. Once you are ready, move to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This is the action that pushes your website live so it can be viewed online. After you click Publish, GoDaddy will process the update and make your website available on the web. If this is your first time publishing, give it a moment. In some cases, changes can appear almost immediately, while in other cases, it may take a little time for everything to fully update. If you recently made edits before publishing, those changes should now be part of the live version of your site. A helpful tip is to open your website in a new browser tab after publishing, so you can confirm that everything looks correct on the live site. This is a simple way to double-check that your content, images, and overall design are showing properly. That is the full process. Log into your GoDaddy account, scroll to Websites, click Edit Website, and then click Publish in the top right-hand corner. That covers everything you need to know.